Previously, the wife paid the bill. We had a tour around the caravan. And I got a new toy. Coming up, I have a cup of tea. We changed the toilet cassette. What could possibly go wrong? And we explore York. It is Saturday morning and we are off to York today. Just getting in with a cup of tea, green tea that is. So shower this morning. Facility is really good. Shower block really clean. They've just refurbed it up, so it's absolutely spot on. Did have a bit of trouble with the shower to begin with. It was a bit hot for me, but managed to sort it out. So wife is just getting ready, and we're just having a brew. So see you shortly. That's the first jogger that said morning.
Yes.
So the walk is about 2 to 3 miles. Walking along the River Ouse. Oh, some cyclists coming, so we shall move.
Just moving out of the way.
So we're having this nice walk. So the weather this morning, they said it was above average temperatures for this time of year. And I think it's going to get up to 14 degrees Celsius. So, nice warm day. So we're going to head into York, maybe have some breakfast. Are we looking to have some breakfast here?
Yeah.
So that is the plan. All good. So, we'll see you further along the journey. So we've got some canal boats, a barge.
Some of them look like they're permanent ones.
Yeah. So
And an extremely popular walk, run, cycle. We've come across them all on this route.
we have. We've got the race course over there.
The number, okay? I'm just letting you know the rules. Okay, we've got a special little treat for you. Do you know this man? To my right, your left. His name's Kai West. He's gonna sing you a little song. Off you go.
Oh, there is.
Right. What do you want to do? Try and find coffee and sit into it?
Go down here.
就如果为了你爱喜欢谁喜欢谁，你别想追我。
Walking along this riverfront gives me the impression as when we were in Berlin.
Very similar.
That's
yeah.
a very similar feel, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday morning. It is a going home day. While my wife is getting ready, I've just thought I'd come down to the river and have one last look before we leave. We're going to have some bacon sandwiches and a cup of coffee before we leave. And just look at this view. The river is oozing and it's all calm. What a beautiful setting. These boats behind me are for hire, so you can actually hire from the this caravan site. So the site itself, it's got a good mixture of caravans, motorhomes and vans. So you've got van lifers, you've got those in your motorhomes, and then on the river itself you've got canal boats, you've got people further on down that way. You've got people living on the water. As you approach York again, you've got, as you notice as you approach York, the boats get bigger and more expensive. So you've got like mini yachts and things like that, which is fantastic to see. You've also got rowing clubs as well along the way. So a bit like the Cambridge-Oxford boat race, you've got those toper boats. I don't know what the name of them is, but fantastic. So yeah. Really enjoyable stay. We'll do our pros and cons before we go, while we tuck into our bacon sandwiches. So enjoy. The final clean. No, don't miss any, dear. As you can clearly see, I'm supervising. You just want it doing properly, don't you, dear?
Yes.
Well, it's our last day. It's our last breakfast. Coffee is fantastic. And to finish off before we go, I've got a hash brown, sausage and bacon sandwich. And my God, that's good. That's very good. And my wife has a hash brown. Okay, it's the going home day, and we've just had a superb breakfast. So, Kaz, what do you think of the site?
I've loved it, especially since we forgot all our food. Really glad there was a restaurant, really glad there's a cafe that's open 9 till 4. The food here is amazing, absolutely amazing. Can't fault it, it's totally perfect. People here are super, super friendly. It's a really busy park, but yeah.
You're erming again, dear.
I'm erming again, yeah. Stop, you've set me off now.
The park itself is very clean. It caters for families, couples, people with dogs. It's got a play area for the kids. The walks up and down the river to take your dogs. There's no, I'm doing it myself, I'm erming myself.
You've set it off now.
You've set it off, yeah. So the site is well impressive.
Yeah.
What I did find, maybe the food's a little bit expensive in the restaurant, but it was, how much was the rump steak? 38 quid or something for a rump steak. Yeah. So it ranged between 28 and 30 or 38 quid, I think it was, for a rump steak, which I suppose reflects the prices of today. However, we've just had the bacon and sausage sandwich, which they also do chips burger. There's like a little hut just behind us. Just there's a queue, so
super busy.
it's super busy. That is well reasonable price, so that is good.
Yeah.
And I think you know, even if you are coming in and you've brought all your supplies, you'd be very tempted to grab some food here and then sit in one of these pods. There's also tables outside and they're dotted along the river, so you can sit and stare out. And they open them at night as well, people having drinks in them when they...
Yeah, and as you can see behind me, they're pods. Absolutely brilliant, because you haven't got the wind sort of issue, sort of everything blowing away if it was a little bit breezy. The river walk is lovely. We did walk to death yesterday, didn't we?
Yeah, we did 14k. So we walked from here to York.
All around York.
All around York.
And then back again.
Went into the Shambles market, which you'll see in this video, or you've watched in this video, I should say.
Again, that was packed.
It was absolutely packed, full of tourists. Well, York brings the old world and the new world together, so you get a lot of tourists, you get obviously the people who live here. If you're into sort of fitness, jogging and things like that, there's plenty of places to go and run. We saw joggers, cyclists, everywhere to meet. Yeah. So it is well worth a visit, and it is Riverfront at York Caravan Park, and it is fantastic. So out of 10, Kaz?
I'm going to give it 9.5, but only because at certain high points you lose your power.
Yes.
In the morning, so whether or not everybody has got up and everybody's trying to drain the site's power, I don't know, but yeah, our electricity kept going off. Just at particular points.
Peak time.
Only would be off for like 2-3 minutes. But obviously, if you're doing something, kept affecting our fridge. So we had to keep swapping from gas to electric. But apart from that, that is my only nitpick.
Yeah, the peak times, so in the morning, tea time, the power does dip. We did lose Freeview a couple of times. However, the TV reception on Freeview is pretty good, to be fair, in the Caravan, wasn't it?
Yeah.
And it was really around those sort of peak times. There is free Wi-Fi.
Sorry, and I know Dave said about the prices, but in all fairness to them, They use quality food. There is not any skimping on quality whatsoever. Even our bacon sandwich was like the really nice, best bacon ever.
The service as well has been 100%. We in the hotel.
We felt like we were in a hotel.
In the restaurant, I should say. We had a meal for Friday night and Saturday night, and you have the option of paying a service charge, and we thought.
And they make you aware of it.
Yeah, they do make you aware, and we pay the service charge because the service, they couldn't do enough for you. So
yeah, superb. Absolutely superb.
My wife here has allergies to. I've got no other wives.
If I was going to be anywhere else.
As allergies to certain like mayo, salad creams, sauces, basically, and they went out of their way, didn't they? Really, to accommodate. So it was,
it was
brilliant. So I'm going to give the site. I never give 10 out of 10, so I'm going to give 9.5 out of 10 as well. And it was mainly due to those little dips in power, but it wasn't a biggie, to be fair.
No.
It wasn't a biggie, but the walks.
It's certainly not a deal breaker to not call again, because we're so going to come again.
And the coffee's good as well.
The food, the drink is 10 out of 10, superb. There's no skimping on that quality at all.
So, thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.